In this video, we'll show you how to set up Velocity on your Surf Hosting Minecraft server. For this video, you'll need more than one server. I've got 3 servers to show you the whole process. So to proceed, go to the version manager and look for Velocity. Then click Install on the latest version and proceed to install that particular jar. Then proceed to start the server so that the default server files are generated to begin with configuration. Then stop the server so that we can continue with configuring Velocity. Then go to the file manager and enter velocity.toml. Now you'll see a few values that can be edited, like the message of the day or the max player count. Now you'll also see a value called online mode, which is normally disabled to allow cracked players but is not recommended by us. Then you can keep rest of the values as it is, as they're not to be disturbed. Now you need to update this option to modern, as that's the preferred method. If you wish to use something else, you can look through the descriptions for each option and choose one to your liking. Then you can keep forwarding secret as it is. You'll know what it is just in a second. Now scroll down until you find a value called servers. Here you'll need to update the IP and port of each server you wish to connect. Now I will enter the IP and port for 2 of my servers that I wish to add to the Velocity network, which would let players to join both the servers in list. You can also rename the name of the server to match the type of servers you're adding. Now this is called a priority join list. What Velocity does is that it sends players to the servers in this list as soon as they connect. You can use it to add multiple lobbies. It can also be used when the first server is offline, in which case it would send players to the second server in list. For an example, you can add a second server in list in the same manner as I am doing right now. Now you don't need forced hosts, as that's something additional you can do later. And that's all for Velocity. Click Save and exit the file. Now enter forwarding.secret and copy the secret that is in the file. Now you need to edit your backend servers, in other words, your lobby and an additional server, aka Skyblock or Survival. Now enter server.properties and look for a value called online mode, and change the value to false. Make sure all the backend servers online mode are toggled off. Now enter a folder called config, and enter paperglobal.yml. Now look for the value called velocity, and once you find it, enable the value by typing true, and paste the forwarding.secret that you copied previously. Now click save, as that's pretty much it. Make sure you repeat the same steps on your other backend servers. Now restart all your servers for the configuration to be in effect. Now join the server using the Velocity server's IP and port, as that's what is to be used to connect to your Velocity network. As you can see, I've joined the server with no issues, which means Velocity is working. Now there's a special command called /server, which we can use to move through servers connected to the Velocity proxy. All you do is type /server and the server name, and there you go. You've been sent to the server named Tutorial. And that's pretty much it. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Use our coupon code NEW25 for an exclusive discount on our services. See you soon.